Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you're well. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. You guys had a lovely Christmas. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look, this full glam of color black girl makeup friendly look, and how to achieve this like bright under eye look if you're someone that's a bright under eye. I will list every product in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. This video is not sponsored, but hey. But yeah, stay tuned to how I got this look, and yeah, enjoy. So I done my brows off camera because I don't really like doing my brows on camera. Plus, I don't really think they're all that. But if you want to know what I used the Missguided Hair Brow Precision Pencil, the Micro Precision Pencil, and I concealed the top with the Becca concealer, and I concealed the bottom with Too Faced in Chestnut. So I've primed my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish, and I'm gonna go into foundation. I haven't really decided what foundation I'm gonna use yet, but I think I have an idea. So I'm gonna try this Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation that I got from TK Maxx. No, sorry, am I lying? Guys, I got this from Space NK for £11 from 33. Space NK really be the place to get makeup, but people don't know. But I'm telling you guys this because, you know, you're my subscribers. It's really watery. I want to see how it looks on my skin. It's like a tinted foundation. Like, it's got like moisturizer, I think, in it. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah, I never talk in my videos, but yeah, like, I hope everyone's had a happy new year. I hope everyone enjoyed the Christmas period, because I know I did. I was drunk almost every day. I'm even gonna get drunk after this video, just because. So I'm gonna take this like stippled brush that I got from AliExpress to blend my foundation out. Guys, I usually use high-end brushes like Real Techniques, Stila, whatever. But I feel like the drugstore brushes and AliExpress brushes are where it's at, because I feel like beauty blenders just pick it up. Oh, okay. I really thought this was going to be light coverage, but never mind. I'm just going to blend that in. If I want to use my Dior Backstage foundation, because I've never used this foundation on camera. Because this foundation is a bit too dark. Gosh, I haven't filmed a makeup video for so long. Like, all I do now is just make TikToks. Not that I have a lot of followers, but, you know, follow my TikTok. The first concealers I'm going to take just to blend out, not to blend out, just to conceal dark bands under my eye is the Too Faced Born in Chestnut and the Sephora concealer in Soft Praline. Guys, girls, guys, don't run, walk to TK Maxx if you're in London, because they've got Sephora products like no man's business. I got this for £4. I got the foundation for £4. I got 2 of their foundation, but I can't find the second one right now. But I was like, I'm gonna grab 2 because you're not gonna get Sephora again in TK Maxx. And in the UK, we don't have Sephora. We don't have like all those nice makeup. So I was like, no, this is once in a lifetime. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a bit on the inner corner. Just 3 dots, 4, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm literally trying to make my makeup different this year. Like, I want my makeup to be out of this world this year. I want it to be so, like, I don't even know the word. Like, I just want it to be out of this world. Like, I don't know what it is, but I've been obsessed with like this bimbofication look, like everyone looking like dollies. I don't know, I love it. Like, I honestly think it's the Claremont twins' fault, because the Claremont twins literally look like teddy dollies, and I love it. Like, something about it, it's just different, you know. Okay, so that's basically all blended out. Casey, bags gone. Like, I never had bags, honey, you did. Now, to highlight my under eye, I'm gonna take the Kat Von KVD Lock-It Concealer in Neutral and the Dior Concealer in 4.5M. This is to highlight, not to brighten. So this is just the beginning. Like, this is just the beginning. I'm mainly gonna use the Kat Von D concealer because she's thick and I want to basically hide it in my life. my outer corner so that I have that lifted look. Like how my brows look. I've been giving my brows a lifted look because I want that natural like brow lift. But yeah. To contour, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Brownie. I'm just going to put down the highlights. This isn't even really a contour shade. It's more of like a concealer shade. But, I mean like a normal foundation shade. But because my foundation is so dark. Plus, I don't really like contouring. I'm more of like to bronze. I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead. I'm going to take this Kylie Cosmetics contour stick in bronze deep dark or deep dark bronze, I don't know. And I want to take that under. I don't know if that's going to make a difference, but you know, I tried. And if you want that lifted like model-esque face look, put your contour just like on your cheekbones and thank me later. I feel like doing like a video talking about like dating as a plus size girls. I feel like that's been like one of the trends on YouTube lately. Like I've been watching this YouTuber, like actually I've been watching quite a few YouTubers that have been talking about dating as a plus size girl, and I really wanted to talk about my experience, especially like living in London and what it's like, because I haven't had any good experiences. So I thought maybe I should discuss it, but then I feel like my dad might watch this because, you know, my dad be finding my YouTube channel and then be asking me questions. I don't want him to be thinking like, oh, so she's dating. She's dating. So my innocent last born is dating. Guys, I recently got chin filler and I'm loving it. Like, it's been, even though you can still see my double chin, my chin filler hides it a little bit. Like, if I look from this angle, you can see my chin. I really want to get a top up. I used to get a lip top up because my lip filler in my top lip is starting to dissolve naturally, because, you know, fillers only last for like less than a year, and I can already start seeing like my one starting to dissolve, and I don't want to start overlining my lips again. Like, I don't do that. That's for the other girlies, and I'm not an other girly. Like, are you new here? And I literally blend my forehead foundation just a little bit. And I go with my foundation brush and just pat the edges. And it just makes it blend seamlessly into the contour. Yeah? You see what I did there? Did you just see what I did there? Yeah. Get into it. But yeah, drugstore makeup in UK, I don't know. I feel like it's just not... It's not as... Sorry guys, there's a ladybird in my house and I'm just looking at it like, how did you even get in? Like, are you new here? Because I will kill your ass in a minute. You wait there. But yeah, my makeup game has been changing, boy. It's just been getting prettier and better. With this colour of concealer, like with the brightness already, this is not even just finished. I like to brighten my under eye. Like, I like my under eye bright. Do you get it? Like, this type of makeup isn't for the faint-hearted. Oh yeah, here's another tip. When you're concealing, do not drag your concealer all the way to the out, because it makes your face look wide. You want your face to look snatched and thin. So it's best to stop at the end. Always, always, always stop blending your concealer at the tail of your brow. My makeup is just so flawless, like, ugh. How dare you? Okay, I'm gonna take my Laura Geller concealer in the shade Light, because that's what I'm about to do. We're about to make my under eye bright. Yeah. And I'm gonna take the Sephora concealer in Pearl, I think number 3. I'm gonna take the Laura Geller first because it's thicker. It's funny because, you know, this bright makeup trend, really and truly Mela Child started this, because, but no one wants to admit that. She started because she was doing it for ages and people were trying to come for her. Like, don't be doing that black girl standard. Yeah, she started that whole trend of, you know, the bright under eye thing, and everyone basically started jumping onto it. But it's become a trend on TikTok, and it's for the girls that get it. The girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't. Obviously, you don't get it because you're not that girl. Got it? Yeah, because I ain't near her. I'm gonna take this, like, I don't know, but it's like a bootleg brush. I'm just gonna blend the outer corners first. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender because I like it. Just look, there we go. Just to fix the, oh my god. Right, to set my under eye, I'm gonna take this Huda Beauty setting powder in Blondie. I really want to get a lighter color. I've been really interested in the Chanel one, but I'm gonna take a semi-dry beauty blender, pat, blow, and press. It really gives it that nice seamless look. Okay, so now I've just done that. I'm gonna properly bake my under eye. And I only bake a little bit because I don't really want it to be cakey. And then to set the rest of my face, I don't use the Huda Beauty setting powder. I use the Fenty Beauty in Cashew. I'm going to go with the butt of my beauty blender and I'm going to dab that into my Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent Deep. Perfect. In Prodigy, and I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty setting bronzer in Mocha Mami. And I mix the two of them together to create this nice warm bronze. To be honest, they're exactly the same shade. They're exactly the same shade, but I don't know. One just does different jobs to the other. I'm just going to take the two of them, dab that on. I'm just going to bronze my face. Remember to go in up motions. Up, 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 up. You're going to lift your face, lift your cheeks, you know. I'm also going to get rid of that powder because she's there for too long. I'm going to get to my chin and my jaw. My hair's so messy, but don't worry, I'm going to get a jet black straight 30-inch wig. Now I'm going to go to the favourite part of my makeup, which is blushing. I'm going to take this Juvias Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. Is it Volume 1? Yeah, Volume 1. And I'm going to take the shades Zane and Toby, which is orange and pink, as I always do. And I've started to add this NYX Matte Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Risky Business. Because this is risky. And I don't even use this blush brush, to be honest, but I can't have my blush brush. So I'm using this. I mix all three of them, to be honest. Smile and over blush. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Foundation in shade 445. I'm going to take my Real Techniques powder brush. And this is to set the rest of my face. And get rid of like any harsh lines. So everything looks seamless because you don't want flashback and I don't want flashback. So I don't yet have a bright under eye powder. So for the time being, I use this white powder, like white powder. And that's to dust off my bake as well as pat in this brightness. So I'm first going to dust it off. Actually, I pat it in. Am I lying? I pat in and dust my bake a little bit. It's like a pat dust. Blend that on my under eye. Pat that in the inner corner. Can you guys see the difference? Like, this eye is slightly brighter. I obviously don't want it too obvious, but I want it to be obvious. I can't find my highlight right now, but I know my sister's taking it. So if you're watching this, give me my highlight. But in the meantime, I'm going to use the Morphe X Coca-Cola one, and it's very pigmented. It's a loose highlighter, which is what I prefer. And I'm going to just put that on the tip of my nose and the bridge. Just under my brush, I say, yeah. And I'm just going to blend it out. And then I'm going to set my face. I usually use the Charlotte Tilbury one, which I have right now, but I've started to dislike it. So I've started using the XX Revolution one. This is just the quick fix long wear for matte, for a perfect matte base. To line my lips, I'm going to take this matte chestnut lip liner. And just to put lip gloss on, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy lipstick. Peachy, yeah, they say peachy. And I'm going to put that on the centre. It is matte, by the way. Next, I'm going to take this lipstick by Nabiracosmetics by the shade Workaholic. The funny thing about this lip gloss is that I ordered this shade. I didn't order this shade. I actually ordered another shade. However, the owner of the company decides to send me the wrong shade. And when I decide to contact her to get me the brown shade, she starts to ignore me. So sometimes it's hard supporting Black-owned businesses because they just don't... They can be hard to work with, but I'm still using it because it's nice. Like, the lip gloss is genuinely nice, and I really wanted that brown shade. However, I can't get through to her because she's ignoring me. Then I'm going to take this Ginger Snap NYX Butter Gloss just to touch up on the outer. To do my eyes now, I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs mascara. I think this is the sample one. I can't remember. But I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs mascara just to give my... Because I hate putting on lashes and my eyelashes are full of makeup. And then now I'm going to take this Lola Lashes Lash Glue, Lash Adhesive. And I'm going to put that on my eyelid. Using a lash adhesive, yeah, I used to use... in the past, I used bonding glue, guys. And it was so ghetto. Until I found love in this Lola Lashes. Ta-da! I'm now just going to put the Marc Jacobs on my bottom lashes. Because I like it. They're pop. Did that even make any sense? I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes because I like my bottom lashes to pop. Like, I like them to stand out as well as my top lashes. There we go. And I feel like bottom lashes just emphasize your bright under eye. If you get what I mean. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, guys, my lashes are from AliExpress. Oh, I did say it. Did I say it? Yeah, it's from AliExpress. I'll still link it in the description box for those. I know people might ask me. Well, yes, guys, this sums up this makeup look. Oh my god, I look so gorgeous. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I think my top's messy, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look, this little soft glam, full glam, black girl makeup, woman of color, you know, everyday makeup. But yeah, thank you so much once again for watching. Please do subscribe, and if you want to ask how, if I don't list all the products in the description box, well, feel free to comment and ask me. Like, I'm always on my phone, so I will respond. But yeah, thank you so much. Oh, what's wrong with me? But yeah, stay tuned to see my next video and have a lovely year. Happy New Year, guys, once again. Thanks for watching. Bye.